So, hi students, today we are going to see a case study which is on the topic of designing a wireless home network in your home or in your office. A wireless home network, how it should be designed. What is the problem statement we have is to network PCs and other devices for your file sharing, online gaming and shared internet access. Next is to control the devices in and around your house. Whenever we are having an Wi-Fi in our home, it will be accessible to a particular range, right? So we have to set for all the things. That is what we are going to take it as a problem statement. Next. Introduction. So one of the most exciting application for wireless technologies is your wireless home network. Internet of Things has evolved out of the need to connect, communicate and interact with things at home, in the factory or in the car. IoT is based on the increased intelligence in things, connected and sharing of mutual interest with each other. Sharing what? Data, yes. Devices interacting to achieve predefined goals or actions and adapting to change situations with a certain degree of autonomy. Next, designing your wireless home network. The process involved in the design, what we follow is determining the requirements, analyzing the existing environment, creating a preliminary design. Next, developing a detailed design and implementing the network. So first determine, analyze, create, develop and then implement. Yes. Next task, what are the tasks we can have is determine the functional requirements of manager and family, talking to company's IT staff, draw a physical map of home. So you have to do this first. What are the main aspects? What we have is, so where we'll be starting with analysis. Yes, good. Analysis is collection of requirements and constraints. So what is the data rate we have, what is the power, what is the range, scalability and reliability, what is the size and what is the cost. And the analysis is done, and when you have selected the right thing to design, we'll be moving for your design with specific constraints. So once the design gets completed, we'll be moving it for your development. So development in the sense, design will be just designing what you are going to do. For example, when you are going to construct a home, we'll be making a design of your home. Right here we are going to make the design of your wireless architecture. From that we are going to develop the wireless architecture by using design diagrams. Next, from the development we'll be going for your testing, either by using a hardware or by a software. So when you're using mobile phone, to test what is the range of the Wi-Fi what we have. Yes. Next, after your testing, we'll be completing it and we'll be moving for your deployment. If there is any constraints and if there is any requirements we are in need after the development, we'll be moving down again for your analysis. This is a cyclic process. Then this is a sample implementation diagram of your wireless home network. Now we have to access the functional requirement, assessing the functional requirements. So needs, first thing is needs to purchase a wireless access point, needs to purchase wireless network cards for any devices may want to connect wirelessly, to purchase a home wire firewall to protect from internet hackers. The location of all wireless devices must remain within 100 meters of the access point for connectivity, must consider sources of interference and their locations. The printer in the family room is used considerably. The wireless network will not cause any problems in configuration access to corporate LAN. Analyzing the existing environment. The next step in the design methodology is to analyze the existing environment. The analysis includes the following processes: identifying current technology options and constraints. Next, investigating the cost. Third one is weighing the cost and the benefits. Next, identifying current technology options and constraints. So, using existing telephone wireless in home to wire network. Some wireless access points can be configured as routers, whereas others simply bridge internet traffic from the modem to a single device. A home firewall can act as a server or router. The interference is limited to phones operating on the 2.4 GHz band. Windows and mirrors can reflect the wireless signal occasionally and cause some minor interference issues from multiple references. That is, multiple reflections. Next, investigating the cost. So it can be a complete wired solution, or it can be a completely wireless solutions, or it can be a hybrid, either combination of both wired and wireless solutions. Next, implementing the wireless home network. Assembling the network components, determining your broadband configuration, installing the hardware, installing and configuring the software, testing your network. Next, this is the implementation of the wireless home network, a sample diagram of the home structure what we have designed. Next is wireless home network advantages. So it can be of increased network coverage, portability, quick network access, reduced cabling. Thank you.